guys are watching Tony R619 Freight. Booyah!
Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video, and today I'm doing a redo of League of Maidens. I love this product, guys. I love this product, and we're gonna do a redo of this stuff. I got 12 more boxes here, and these are some of the cards that you can get. We did get one number card, which was this S card from our first time that we did this. This is Ganyu, and this was number 30 out of 388. Or 38 out of 388. But you can get cards like this. And you can get an SZR like this, which has a gold stock. And it's got a lot of shine. You can get cards like this, SSP. We only got one. This is a red stock. We only got one of these last time. You can get cards like this, LSP. Beautiful cards, lots of shine. And these are also red stock. And they come in landscape or parallel like this. So, LSP. And of course, the big hits are the Sandflow cards. You can get Sandflow cards like this. And they have a peel off on both sides. So, here's another Sandflow that we got. So, yep. So, these are the type of cards you can get. And of course, it features all the girls that work at Hooters, right? These are the base cards. You get 2 of these per pack, and they're puzzle pieces on the back. And there's probably like 6 different puzzle pieces. So this is pretty cool. And they all work at Hooters, as you can tell. You'll see what I mean. Anyways, why don't we go ahead and get started? I pre-cut this open, so it'll be much easier to open. So we just have to take out the pack like this. Because last time, I think I spent like quite a few minutes opening these last time. So this will be much faster. We only got one heavy box this time. So there's 12 boxes. The first time we did the 12 boxes, we got 2 heavy boxes, and we know that those heavy boxes were the Sandflow cards. So this one, we only got one heavy box, and it's this one right here. Yep. So let me quickly open all these up. And in the first time we did this, all the cards that we got were all different. So that was awesome. That was awesome that we got all different cards. Okay, so here's the packs. This is the way the box looks. This is my second favorite. This is probably my second favorite of all the blind boxes. I love this product, even though it's only 3 cards per box. But I love this product. Let's get this out so you can see it better, right? And then this will be my little screenshot. But yeah, this is probably my second favorite besides Diary of Love. All right, so why don't we go ahead and get started? I want to save this pack. So I'm just going to open this one with the scissors. Okay. And let's hope we get all different ones again. So this one's actually a duplicate. Got this one before. Got this one before. And SSP, so this is new. This is nice. We didn't get this one. We only got one of these last time. And booyah, she works at Hooters. And look at that. Very nice, not numbered. So we got a different one of these. Okay. Let's pack, and this is usually how you open it right here. We got a red card. Okay, we didn't get this one. This is Shinobu. We didn't get this one last time. We didn't get this one either. See, they all work at Hooters. And then LSP. Very nice, right? Yeah, so I like these. I really like these cards. Okay, next pack. Ooh, Uta. We got Uta. Look at how enhanced Uta is. It's all grown up. Very nice. Got this one. And LSP. So this is the second time we get this one. And as you can see, it's a red stock. And I like this. J. Miko. Very nice. I don't mind having 2 of those. It's pack. Didn't get this one. Didn't get this one either, so nice. Oh, I'm not even showing you guys the puzzle pieces from the back. And SZR. Look at all that shine, guys. Now, I don't know if this product is still available, but if it's not available on AliExpress, you can probably find it on eBay. So let me show you the backs. So where did we start? Right here. At the end of the video, there's the puzzle pieces on the back. I will see if I completed any of the puzzles, I will show you. Okay? I'll make like a separate little video showing you, and then I'll glue the videos together to show you at the end. Okay. Oh, nice. Ganyu. Very nice. And an SZR. These have so much shine. Awesome. I like these. Oh, I didn't even show you the back of these. Look. Okay. So that's those. Let's continue with these. Oh, nice. Look at that. There's the puzzle piece. And the puzzle pieces are really cool too. Ooh, didn't get this one either. But yeah, these are really cool. I like these. There's the puzzle piece of that one. And an SSP. Nice, look at that. So we pulled 2 of them in this spot, in this break. We only pulled 1 last time. It's got all this glitter all around. Very, very nice. I like this one. All right, let's pack. Yeah, so besides Diary of Love, I like these blind boxes too. Okay. Didn't get this one. So all these I didn't get. So we're getting a lot of cards that we didn't get last time. And I'll show you at the end. And look at this LSP. We didn't get this LSP. Booyah. Not number. Hopefully we get a number card like we did last time. Okay, let's pack. So we got 5 more packs to go. Didn't get this one. Very cool. And we got this double. Uta double. Let's see the back on this one. Oh, look at that. It's a crack. And then we got an SZR. And there's a lot of details in these. Very cool. All right, let's pack. And we still had the Sandflow card coming. Look at how, man. That looks like a nice pillow. And then we got this LSP. This looks like it's Raiden Shogun, I think. Very, very nice. Okay. So it seems like the rarities are the SSP and the S1. And of course the Sandflow card. Okay, this is a little hard to get out. Come on, come on. Look at that. Yeah, these are so cool. And there's the back. Got a little face. Is that power? That might be power. Look at this. Very, very nice. And an LSP. Yep. She's got a little rubber ducky. Yeah, these are so cool. All right, we got 2 more packs to go. Okay. And then this, probably a Sandflow card because it's thick. And the Sandflow card, there's only like 1 card. Just the 1 card on the Sandflow card. So see how thick this is compared to this? And it's heavier. Okay, last 2 packs, guys. Wish me luck. Let's hope we get a number card. We didn't get no number card yet. Hopefully we get a number card right here. Okay, that looks like it's Marian Kitanawa or something like that. Very nice. There's the back. Spicy. And then we got a little vampire. This one says COS, C-O-S. These other ones don't say that. And then we got this one, an SZR. Look at these. So much shine on these things. So no number card this time around, guys. And I hope we get a different Sandflow. Come on, let it be a different Sandflow card. All right, it's something different. Cool. We got this one. And there it is. So it's gold. So there's the Sandflow card, guys. And there's a peel off right here. Let's see if I can get it out. I know it was really hard to take off the peel off, but you can tell there's a peel off because if you look at it right there, you see all these little bubbles. So you know that there's a peel off. I had trouble taking off the other one too. But, man, I guess I'll have to show you in another video after I peel it off. Oh, here we go. So you see there's the peel off. You can peel it off. It's already looking very shiny. And there it is. So you peel it off and it's much shinier. Not sure who this girl is. But if you know, let me know. Post it down below. Anyways, there's our bots break, guys. So we got these. Only 2 of these. These are kind of rare too. These right here. And yeah, there it is. Let me know what you think. I got more of these cards, these boxes. I got like 12 more, I think, or even, I don't know. I'm not quite sure how many I have, but I know I bought more of these. Anyways, if I did get completed a puzzle, I will show you at the end. All right, thank you guys for watching. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Guys, we only completed the one puzzle, which is this one right here. This is the only puzzle we completed. Got so close. It looks like there's 6 puzzles, guys. And we got so close in completing most of them except one. One where we only had like 2 out of the 9. But we got so close. I want to show you the other side. These are the cards that complete the puzzle of power. There it is, guys. All right, there you have it.